2010 Dodge Journey 3.5 V6. No start. What could it possibly be? Guys, welcome to another video. I know I haven't really been posting, but stay tuned, because consistency is the key. And we'll get to it. I don't like wasting people's time, and I'll tell you exactly what it is. I read a lot on the internet, on YouTube, and a lot of people is talking about neutral safety switches, range sensors, whole bunch of stuff. This one guy even said, get a new ground from here to the engine block. But I checked everything, man. I couldn't figure it out. I checked every friggin' thing. I couldn't figure it out. I even went and got a new starter, because the old one was due for replacement anyway. It was pretty corroded, and I tried cleaning it, but it still wasn't, I almost changed my starter. That's what a lot of forums were leading to, but thank God I didn't. The issue is with this ground wire right here. It's connected to the starter down in there. So that was my culprit. Cleaned it up best as I could. Took it off, cleaned it off best as I could. And went to start the car. Perfect. Starts right up. I'm killing myself trying to figure this thing out. And yeah. Now it starts. Even damaged my bumpers a little. Dodge, you guys suck for putting a freaking battery all the way on the bottom the wheel well. It's got to be one of the laziest things I ever seen in my life. You guys could have made space here. You guys could have made space here. Like, seriously, you could have made space here. But I'm not the engineers. I didn't get paid all that money to use my head, But yeah, it's done. I also changed control arms on them. They were due to change those. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys what else I did. So, people are talking about the shifter. I was messing with it. But yeah, nothing's wrong here. Everything works. I'll show you guys now. Works just great. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything together. And then the only thing I gotta tackle now is the heat issue. I think it's my blend door pivot switch is not allowing the blend door to open all the way up. Or if it's not that, then the heater core is plugged up. That's the last result. But other than that, it's good to go. Another one hits the dust. See y'all later.